Hello, my Capricorn Aquarius cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of July 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, hang on for some more time. Shortly, we'll upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 31st. Let's go. Angels and spirit guides. First 10 days, please. We have maturity, courage, nothingness, and change. Hello, first 10 days, super interesting. Finance flow is coming in, stable connections are building up, marriage proposals, collaborations, maybe overseas you guys are going to travel. First 10 days, make the best use of it. Trust me, my darlings, you ask for it, you are receiving it. What's your guidance? Follow your gut feeling. Follow what your higher self is trying to tell you. I mean, there is nothing to worry about. Spiritually, emotionally, financially, emotionally, you guys are going to be rock stars in the first 10 days. Now, let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Darlings, this is a second cusp sign that is going with a good read. Okay, so far we have schizophrenia, lovers, isolation, consciousness, creator, and laziness. You seem to have a choice between two people, okay, because we have lovers, because of which you're already with, and there could be a third party. I'm not sure, maybe for a few. Avoid being confused. Maybe that heartache is something that you need to still get over, gain clarity. I think it's more about being practical in the mid 10 days. First 10 days, follow your gut feeling. Mid 10 days, follow your logical mind. Why? Else your heart is going to break, or you are still holding on to some pain. You know how that bubble burst is? Somebody says something and then suddenly you start crying your heart out, okay? Or that anger burst. This is what it's trying to say. Let go. You have a choice. Make a smart choice. Don't be confused. You are unique in your own way, okay? So don't compare yourself. Finance is coming, emotional happiness is coming, but let go of that pain. I don't know what pain you are holding on to, but maybe in the mid 10 days, it's trying to say, you know, sometimes you're trying to find a balance between two things and you feel so helpless that you cannot do anything. Maybe that could be one of the reasons, okay? Let's come to the last 10 days, 21st to the 31st. We begin with possibilities, moment to moment, politics, experiencing. See, you have a choice. Don't get into a third party because somebody is not showing the true colors. You could be someone as a third party if you're my feminine energy. So you need to be careful. Maybe you're trying to find a balance between your past and your future, but you're not staying in the present. Money flow is coming in because you know you are traveling, and again we can see 2 and 3. Okay, so when you broaden your horizon, when you are focused on your goal, what you want, your experience is something that will help you in reaching to it. But if you think you're stuck, look at it from a higher perspective. Stop being a people's pleaser. Somebody is not showing the true colors. Avoid any addictions or manipulations. It will backfire you. So you should be trusting only yourself, nobody else. Okay, so that's the reason it's trying to say stay in the moment, don't get carried away. Now let's seek some guidance from your angels. Angels and spirit guides. Oh, we've got two, so let's take both. Say Cupid and joy. Cupid, love yourself, heal yourself, whatever you want, you can achieve. Joy, start being happy. Increase water intake. You know, sometimes it's extremely important to be happy with yourself. Love yourself. Eventually, everything will start following. Now, because we have love, how can we miss what your love energies are trying to guide you? Okay, so we've got ascending and dragonfly. So you need to be light-hearted. Your relationship is taking on a higher level. Some changes are mandatory in your relationship, okay, and maybe that is something that you are not ready. Maybe that is what universe is trying to say, that you know it's utmost in some relationships is, I need to place it like this, yeah, so maybe that is what it's trying to remind you. Okay, now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Okay, let's see. Angels and spirit guides, anything specific? False person, politics, say, even universe is trying to say stay away from somebody who's not showing their true colors. This could be anybody from your space, okay, and you yourself should avoid getting into manipulation. So how should I sum up this month? Stay alert, okay, and trust yourself, because this is how universe is trying to remind you that when you give your control to somebody else, everything starts falling apart. Finance is coming towards you, your higher self is guiding you, so you need to understand, breathe, okay, let go of things that you've been holding on to, stay in the moment. Your experience and you trying to see from a higher perspective will help you in finding answers to your solutions. Be receptive, bring that happiness in your life, start loving yourself, because you're unique is what even the angels are saying. Your relationship is changing, be adaptable rather than restricting, and just be careful is what universe is trying to say. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.